The next question asked on the YouTube is from Teron Poof. Assalamu alaikum. Can I kiss or hug during fasting? The question is too general. If you say, can I kiss my wife during fasting? It's a specific question. Yes, you can kiss your spouse during fasting. Or kiss, you are normally permitted to kiss. You cannot kiss a non-mahram. Whether they are fasting or not fasting, it's haram. But while fasting, your spouse, you're permitted to kiss as long as you're confident that after that, you will not do acts which will break your fast. If you know that you have self-control and you can control yourself, you can very well kiss your wife. The woman can kiss the husband, as long as they're sure that it will not let you indulge in things later on which will break your fast. So if you're sure that you can restrict yourself, it is permissible. Once when a Sahaba was sitting with the Prophet, a man comes and asks the Prophet that, can I kiss my wife while I'm fasting? The Prophet said, yes, you can. Another person comes and asks the same question. The Prophet replies that you cannot. So the Sahaba asked the Prophet, the first person you said, can kiss your wife while fasting? The second person you said, no. Why is the answer different? So the Prophet said, I knew that the first person who came, he could control his desires. Therefore, I told him it is permissible for him to kiss his wife during fasting. The second person, I knew he could not control his desires. Therefore, I said he cannot kiss during fasting. Therefore, the general ruling is that if you can control your desires and you know that you will not commit any of the fast breakers. If you don't do any of the fast breakers after kissing, it is permitted to kiss your wife during fasting. If you fear that you will not be able to control your desires and you will commit any of the fast breakers after you fast, then you should not kiss your wife or hug. The answer is the same. Hope that answers the question.